How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today, I'm just going to be going through our website and looking at a few different metrics. I want to give everyone a good idea of what the market is looking like today. First up, we're going to go up to metrics and actually down to macro metrics. This is the first thing that I like to look at every single day. This is because this page is going to cover really important topics. First up is Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance. It looks like as Bitcoin has risen in dominance, Ethereum has dropped. This tells me that there is more money flowing into Bitcoin right now. However, if we see Bitcoin drop and Ethereum move back up, this could be a signal for an altcoin season, and it looks like altcoins could be moving up. However, as of right now, Bitcoin is still taking the cake. Moving on now to the total crypto market cap. We saw a massive move up, and whenever we're seeing trends upward, it means that the crypto market is doing well. Currently, we are trending back down though, so we could see a little bit of a drop in the general market. It's kind of crazy to see how much this market really is. Currently, there's over $1 trillion in the crypto market. That is just an insane amount of money. So we do know that the crypto market is still going strong, even if we are in a downtrend. Next up is the stablecoin inflow and outflow. Whenever you're seeing an increased dominance of stablecoins, it means that the rest of the market is likely going down. Kind of think of this as like the dollar index. As the dollar moves up, Bitcoin tends to actually go down. And I know it's not exact. This is USDT in green and USDC in blue, so they're not exactly the US dollar. But generally, if there is a higher dominance of stablecoins in the market, it means that people are trading their active cryptocurrencies in for stablecoins. So generally, as this trends upward, it's more bearish. Next up is the SPY. Now, where the stock market goes, crypto is likely to go too. So it's important to pay attention to the S&P 500 here. The ticker we use specifically is the SPY. We can see a symmetrical triangle has been forming on the SPY. Most often, this will be a continuation move. So it looks like we came from an uptrend, and that tells me we could break out to the upside. It is technically bullish, but the way the rest of the market is looking, we can see here this is bearish. The market cap moving down is bearish. And this right here is bullish for Bitcoin, but bearish for altcoins. So overall, what I'm seeing in the general macro metrics is kind of an honestly neutral reading. Now, after I go through the crypto macro metrics, I like to look at the morning brew overview. Now, this will be the first time I'm doing this. I'm showing you today's morning brew overview. What this is going to give you is our top performing coin today at the time of screenshot. It was Mana USD with 3.64% profit. And our worst performing coin for the day was ApeCoin at a negative 2.16%. It'll also show you crucial news, at least 2 articles every single day showing what's going on in the crypto market and the rest of the economy. Next, you'll look at the breakout detector. All of these coins look prime for a crazy move incoming. And what the breakout detector is, we'll head into Cardano right now. It's this second metric right here. The breakout detector will be posted on the Morning Brew overview if the coin is in low volatility. And this is because whenever we see low volatility like this or like this, that's when we're seeing absolutely insane drops, moves up, all sorts of crazy moves in the market. Low volatility breeds impulse moves. So the breakout detector will show you every single coin that has an active possible breakout coming. Next, you'll see all daily buy, strong buy, sell, and strong sell signals that we offer. Currently, there are none of those posted today, but whenever you see those, you'll see right here on May 11th, we had just an absolute crazy amount of daily buy signals. The Morning Brew overview will essentially tell you everything you need to know across our entire website. This will be the page that you're going to want to visit just about every single day if you trade cryptocurrency. Once I have the data I need from here, I see the breakout detector in any buy, strong buy, sell, or strong sell signals. That's when I'm going to head over to the metrics themselves. Now, we had a possible breakout detector reading, a possible breakout coming up for Avalanche, AVAX USD right here. The first metric I like to look at is the Avalanche Emotional Index. I just go in order here. And as of right now, Avalanche has just barely made it into anxious territory after dropping all the way into fearful. Most often when you see either an anxious or fearful reading, this is when the price is likely to begin moving up. This is actually a bullish sentiment. You may have heard the phrase, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. This is exactly how this metric is traded. Next up is, of course, that Avalanche volatility breakout detector. We saw low volatility in AVAX, and what this tells me is we could be seeing some impulse moves soon. We saw a long period of low volatility here, but it ended with an absolutely insane impulse move to the upside. Same right here, boom, right here, boom, boom. Absolutely crazy how much the price moves whenever we're in low volatility, so that is what I'm going to be looking for Avalanche. Moving on now to the Avalanche Whale Smart Money metric. Currently, there is a ton of long trade sentiment in the market for Avalanche. However, it's not until we see a value of around 800 or 1,000 that we're really looking for crazy moves up in the market. Once we see that reading, that's when whales are likely to buy in, and where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and that is why this metric is so crucial. Next up is the Avalanche major support and resistance chart. Right now we're seeing structure support at $14.36 or as low as $13.90. As the price drops, we could be bouncing off that point, especially as the rest of the metrics turn bullish. Once we move back up, we do have structure resistance at $16.85, so this is where I'm looking for the next move up in cryptocurrency. There's a lot of structure resistance here in multiple touches, so I think that's going to be a really strong one. Next up is the Avalanche long versus short trades chart. This right here shows you empirical data of the trading volume of both longs and shorts. Right now there's a lot more long trades as indicated by this green line being way above this red line representing shorts. There's just an insane amount of long trades over short trades in Avalanche. Right now we're seeing a fairly horizontal, very parallel movement, so there's not a ton of money moving one way or the other, but if you see a spike in long trades, we should be seeing a move up in price. However, if we see a spike in short trades, it's more indicative of a move down. Last but not least is the Avalanche daily trade scanner. Now the price has just barely dropped below the previous sell signal, and what this tells me is there's just more and more bullish momentum building. The pressure is building against bears. It's getting harder and harder for the price to drop much further. So what I'm going to be looking for is an additional buy signal at the bottom. As soon as we see that buy signal, that will be the move up that I'm really looking for. At that point, that could be a great entry for Avalanche. So I have just showed you exactly how I run through my metrics every morning for whatever coins I happen to be trading. Looking at the macro metrics is going to be crucial. Looking at the morning brew overview is going to be essential. And don't forget about future forecasts here. At least once a week, Travis is posting insane videos that show just more and more bullish sentiment coming into the market. In the video we posted yesterday, he wanted to show you 5 unbiased data points that say shorting or selling is not a good idea. If you've been waiting for an incredible entry before I move up, you need to see this video. Now, these videos are posted at least once a week. As I said, they're going to be absolutely crucial for you as a trader, and this is members only content. This is not shown on YouTube. In addition to this members only content in the form of videos, you're also going to get members only trades. Currently, we are 16 wins, 0 losses with 9 trades pending. Now, I'm not going to show you which trades are open right now because that is reserved for members. So if you as a trader want to boost your trading game, if you want to learn as much as you possibly can for future forecast, get all the data you need to make your trades every day in the morning brew overview. If you want to get access to easy trades and all the trading data you really need in the crypto market, you can grab our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the metrics will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Personally, I recommend the full access for $59 a month. Just $59 a month gets you access to all the membership benefits I showed you and much more. Our members regularly make way more than this $59 a month just from these metrics alone. So if you want to get access and start your trading journey, just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, I really appreciate everyone watching. Be sure to pay attention to the metrics for the coins that you trade. And with that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.